New Year, everyone. Afe enko embeto yen afe sese ni nyina ye wa hoden ene nkwa na nyankopon koso aye hrae. Welcome back to Taste and Bloom. We are starting off the year with a special Angwamo recipe. Yes, braised rice and egg in one pot. You don't want to miss this. For this recipe, I'm going to be using some beef, sausages, chopped onions, oil, green bell pepper, and carrots. I'll also need some rice, eggs, powdered pepper or paprika, chopped ginger and garlic, and some salt. We'll start off by pouring our oil into the saucepan. So this is braised rice, so be generous a bit. Then I'll go ahead and add in my chopped onions. So we are going to be frying our onions. What I do is I fry mine for about 3 to 5 minutes. I want to get it to be a little translucent. If you're new here, I am happy to have you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Now go ahead and add in my ginger and garlic and stir fry that also. Now go ahead and add in my beef and stir fry till it's dark brown. At this point, I'll add in my sausages. A big thank you also going out to my returning subscribers. You are amazing. Now I'm adding my paprika and salt. These are both to your taste. At this point, my carrots and green bell pepper will also go in. Now it's time to add in my rice. So I'll be stirring properly till all the ingredients are well combined. I will not add water just yet. I'll allow the rice to sort of fry a bit with the oil and excess juices from our beef. Then I'll give it another stir, also making sure that all the ingredients are well incorporated. Now I'll go ahead and add my water. Be careful, Angwamo, since you need Jonesema and be peche and it will not be nice. So please be careful with the water. Now I'm going to cover and allow for the water to drain from the surface of the rice. Now this is what I meant. Now I'm going to be adding in my eggs. So you can see me creating some dents with a ladle. I'll drop in my eggs on top of the rice. So alternatively, you can beat your eggs before pouring it on top of the rice. Then go ahead and cover and allow your eggs to cook for about 7 minutes on low heat. Then after that, I'll give it a stir and mix everything up with the rice. Adiana seti anesao, winging it with AC and Sianoki GH. Bring your bloomers along and some chilled sobolo and let's enjoy this pot of Angwamo. Beef kakra, sausage kakra, inkosia kakra, rice kakra, vegetables kakra, everything day here. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do try this nutrient-dense Angwamo for your little bloomers and thank me later. So until we meet again in my next video, the anthem still remains. Keep blooming.